everyone! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Anne. In today's video, I recreated the makeup look that Katy Perry had in her latest music video called Daisies. I love that song. The meaning is so uplifting. It's super perfect for the time that we have now. It just really gives positive vibes, uplifts spirits, and inspires people to still have hope during these times. So if you haven't watched that video, I'm gonna link it down below. Also, this makeup is inspired by the picture that she took, I believe, from that music video. I'm gonna link that down below as well. It's from Katy Perry's Instagram. So if you guys would like to see this video, it's such a simple video. You can probably see this look or recreate this look yourself in about 5 minutes. All right, so on a cleanse and moisturize skin, I'm gonna apply the Charlotte Tilbury Wonder Glow. This is for the primer. I'm gonna apply a pearl-sized amount of that and spread it all over my skin. I noticed that Katy had a more of a lit from within glow. So for that, I'm gonna use a sheer foundation. So I'm gonna use the NARS Sheer Glow foundation. This has a nice natural finish to it. It gives the skin like a glowy, dewy appearance. Coverage, I would say, is light to medium. So my shade is Deauville, and I'm gonna apply that all over my skin. And then I'll blend it out with a beauty blender. So to brighten underneath my eyes and also in the corner of the mouth, I'm gonna use my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in the shade C1. I'm gonna set the concealer I put underneath my eyes with my Mercier translucent powder, and I'm gonna use a small fluffy brush like this. So in the video, I noticed that she doesn't really have a lot of powder on the rest of her skin because her skin really looks lit from within. I'm gonna add a little bit of bronzer, but just a very sheer bronzer. So I'm gonna use the Revlon Skin Lights Prismatic Bronzer. I love this bronzer. My shade is Sun-Kissed Beam, and I'm gonna apply that all over my skin. So it should look like this, just a touch of bronzer all over the skin. Now, time for the fun part. So if you look at the video, you'll notice that she has like some sheen on her skin right here. So I'm gonna apply some highlighter over here, cream highlight. I'm gonna use the Kosas Muse Color and Light Cream. This is the high intensity version. And I'm gonna apply the blush on top of that as well. Alright, so it should look like this. For the blush, I noticed that she did have a little bit of like a natural pink on the cheeks. So for that, I'm gonna use the same palette. I'm gonna use this color right here. And I'm gonna apply that with a synthetic brush like this. I really like the finish of this blush. It looks really natural. It doesn't have any powdery finish to it. It looks like my cheeks are really blushing, like, naturally. So I noticed that for the eyeshadow, she doesn't really have a lot of eye makeup going on. She did have her brows filled, and then also I noticed that her lashes are thicker. It looks like she did have extensions on, but for today we're gonna use some mascara. So for the combo that I'm gonna use for my mascara, I'm gonna use the Roller Lash and the Marc Jacobs primer. I find that these two work really great to curl the lashes and also thicken them up. I'm gonna fill my brows as well. I'm gonna show that to you guys in a second. So now that the eyes are done, we're gonna move on to the lips. I noticed that she had somewhat like a fuchsia stain on her lips. It's kind of like this color right here. So to achieve this color right here, I mixed two colors. This one is Prague, and then this one's called Pink Lust. Both of them are from NYX. I'm gonna put them down below so you guys can see them. And I'm just gonna apply that on my lips with my finger. Alrighty, so this is the finished look. I had so much fun recreating that makeup, and I hope you guys had fun watching this video as well. Make sure that you click the thumbs up, comment below, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, click the notification bell below so that you can get notified every time I post a new video. I'll see you guys soon, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!